Running ads but no leads feels like throwing a party and no one shows up. Why? Because your lead form looks like a tax return, long, boring, and full of maybe later vibes. Step 1, shorten like Spider-Man's to-do list. Use Typeform or Tally to turn long forms into fun, one question at a time flows. People actually finish them. Step 2, autofill like Tony Stark. Clearbit grabs their info using just an email. Name, role, company, boom. One field, full picture. Step 3, follow up like Amazon. Zapier triggers instant email or WhatsApp replies with context. Don't let the lead go cold. Step 4, post it smart. Build your form or landing page with Moksy.ai. No code, pro look, free forever. Why chase leads when AI brings them in? Subscribe if you've ever ghosted your own lead form.